Kampala. If you've never been to Uganda, man, this is the time to come.
This is the journey to One Africa.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wandegeya once again, and we came here at Wandegeya Market South Wing. The main reason why we're here, guys, we just want to try Ugandan traditional food. That's what we're here for, all right? We haven't had lunch today, so this is basically, it's already like 4 p.m., approximately almost 5 p.m., right? So we want to have Ugandan traditional food for lunch and for dinner as well. Right here, we are right here, and that's what we want to try. Just want to look at this. This is street food right here.
Abasi birungo, Wandegeya chicken, Wandegeya biki, abasi birungo.
Imeisha hiyo. Imeisha hiyo, po imeisha hiyo. On the street, see if we could find anything to eat, you know, Ugandan traditional food. We are here, Wandegeya. I'm right here in the country, man. I just want to enjoy traditional food, man. Eh? I just want to enjoy traditional food, man. I just want to enjoy traditional food. We need to see this view, man. Look at that food. Look at that food, man. This is where I can have traditional food. Chicken, man, in this country. They're loving it, man. I need another mic, man. I need another mic. Let me talk to my people, man. We need another mic, man. We need another mic to talk to our people. This is Wandegeya, and this is Kampala, Uganda. We are here to enjoy traditional food. Man, I'm listening to you.
About $1 million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot, I got features of people like Lost. Yeah, R.I.P. on me.
Kampala, Uganda, Wandegeya. We're here to see. This is where you can have all the traditional food, man. Everybody's out here making some food. Our brothers right here. Hey, how are you, man? My name is Wandegeya. Nice to meet everybody. Hey, man, how are you? Hey. Yes, we're here, guys. A lot of people here, man. Everybody's busy working. Everybody's busy making money for themselves. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's busy working for their families. And that's the spirit that we need in our continent, Africa, you know. Everybody busy working. You know what I'm saying? They do nothing but work. And that's good. So if you see border borders, they're actually working. If you see people making some food, they're actually working. This is actually a traditional market where you can buy a lot of things. You know, I don't know if I want to buy anything yet, but I just want to walk around this place and see, and just see what they have, you know what I'm saying? This is good, man. This is good. This is good. Feeling hungry already. Need something to eat. But let's walk around here to see, man. Hi, everybody. Oh, hey, how are you, man? You good? Let me talk to you, man. I can see you want to talk to me. How are you, man? I am wonderful. My name is Wandegeya.
My name is Katwesiga Patrick.
Katwesiga Patrick.
Yes.
What do you do, man? Man, we just came here to Uganda because we want to see the country. We want to enjoy traditions in the country, and we want to enjoy some local food. That's it. What is the best food in Uganda?
The best food is the chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
Chicken?
Yes.
So I just need to eat chicken?
It's the game boss.
That's it? That's it? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you.
Turn up the headphones a little bit. Hey. Hey. ISO. Let's get it. Whoa. Clear out the room. I'm coming through. They want to see.
200 and 250. 200,000, eh? 200, 250. Can I see? It's okay? Yeah, let's see, man. Is this like Ugandan made? Oh, not? Okay. This is not Ugandan made. So I guess yeah, I guess want to find some traditional. This one is nice. Look at this one. This one is really nice. It's really nice. But I got no money for that. All right, thank you.
About a million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot. I got features of people like lost. Yeah, R.I.P. on me, TT. The melanin on me, my cheekbone is native. The soil is my where I walk. Some beavers on me, my nigga go figure. My inner make enemies scoff. Admit it, your energy off.
Man, you guys, you wanted to know things about Uganda. You wanted to know things like the history of Uganda, traditions, how people are living. I think today we just film a video from the museum to basically just showcase Uganda, you know what I'm saying, and their culture and everything. That's what we try to do. And right now we're going to show you some of the food, man. Most of this food, even in our country, we eat the same thing, you know what I'm saying. So I want to show you guys what they eat and perhaps to eat with you too at the same time, man.
Out of touch with my feelings, dressing appearances. Feeling more solid about who the man in the mirror is. I reach for hearts through the speaker box to connect with strangers. Painting the page with the language, but off the mic I barely speak it all. I seldom see a flaw, bitch, I need it all. Shook by the way life is lately. I feel the earth pirouette, I'm dazed like I'm seeing stars. Got them all on the wave, it's more than just words to a page.
Are you from Congo?
No, I'm from Uganda.
Uganda?
Jina langu naitwa Afrika. Chante nata. Nimepiga kuku hapa, kuku mzuri sana. Kuna chipsi, elfu sita. Unaongea vizuri.
That's good. We need something good. Something good.
Yeah.
Unataka kula hiyo madikuta wewe. Huko mtu anazinga. Unasema. Oh, yes. Kuja show them, man. You are that's amazing, man.
This is paradise. This is paradise. Ismaili. Kuna Ismaili.
Kuko kienyeji.
Ismaili.
One kuko kienyeji.
Yeah, this is Ismaili. Ismaili.
So
Bwana kuja one. Africa.
Africa.
This is the story
right there. That one looks good, man. That one looks good. Ini ya kienyeji sasa.
Ndio kitu wanafanya vile na kwa viungo tomato
ya kienyeji ya kisasa.
nikufanyie na wewe.
Yeah, ndio kienyeji. Shingapi? How much is it?
Hafu na chips ya 18. Then tukafanya nani kuku mzima na chips ya mtaro 3. Ya mtaro 3 mzima na chips.
How much is it?
18,000. Half and chips.
I'm with him. So, full, how much is full?
Full and chips is 30.
The food is not a
Full and chips. Yes, I want full and chips, but ya kienyeji. Kuku ya kienyeji.
Okay, akupatie. Muoneshe kuku huyu. Mzima na chips.
Oh man. This is the place, man. Now this is Africa. Now this is Africa. My name is Babu.
Babu what?
Babu Mirabinji.
Babu Mirabinji.
Yeah, Babu Mirabinji. That's my name.
My name is called Alex Yalema. You know Yalema?
Yalema?
Yalema.
Yeah, I know Yalema.
Who is Yalema?
Yalema, it's you.
Yeah, I'm called Yalema. I'm called Yalema.
Babu Mirabinji.
Babu Mirabinji. Yalema.
Oh my goodness. I love Uganda, man. Yeah, this is Uganda, man. This is Uganda. I love Uganda, man. In Uganda, Kampala. If you've never been to Uganda, man, this is the time to come. Now this is the country. This is my country. Man. We're waiting for our food here. We're going to get the food, chicken, with some chips and tomatoes and everything together, man. I can't wait.
And this place is called
usiniwekee tomato. Weka tu ile spice kama kuna spice spray.
Okay. Na cabbage niweke ndani.
Na cabbage yeah.
Out of touch with my feelings, dress and appearances.
Food looks delicious. The food looks delicious. The food looks delicious. How much is that? How much is that? Eh? Full chicken 30. Oh. 30. That is a US dollar or is Ugandan money. Oh, okay. The food looks so amazing. Thank you. I see everything. Your name is?
Pinaisa. Exactly.
And you are the one who cooked this?
Yes, please.
You cooked this one?
Yeah. Hey, why not?
Oh. So how much is that?
A full chicken? 30,000.
US dollar?
Sorry?
Is it US dollars?
No. Shillings. Uganda shillings. Exactly.
That's good. It looks good. I see even this one look good. So you see how even the way they cook. This the local chicken or looks so beautiful. Oh, okay. It seems like you are a professional.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh yeah. Man, this chicken is amazing.
Done it. We're still waiting for chicken. This one is ours.
About $1 million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot, I got features of people like lost. Yeah, R.I.P. on me, TT. The melanin on me, my cheekbone is native, the soil is my where I walk. Sunbeams on me, my nigga, go figure my inner, make enemy scoff. Admit it, your energy off. My frequency killer, you soft. I show people love, they act like they above it, but switch when they see me, I'm lost. I tell the truth when I talk. This wanna be me. I used to sleep in the car. To my girl when it crashes in car.
Man, I cannot wait to eat that chicken, man.
I'm on. For now, I'm cool being me. But I need you to match what I'm on. How you wanna play games when I won? Ay, I play with cash for the fun. Women looking at me, she think I'm needing her on. I'm doing me for me, hun. I never needed no one. I never bleed around sharks. They're saying you are what you eat, but she wanted me to be lunch. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. Some Farrakhan, keep the peace, I look out for me.
About what they say, I can't hear 'em from the clouds. I don't talk too much, but these diamonds talking loud. And I'm turning heads, got these bitches going out. About what they say, what they say, what they say. Yeah, I can't hear 'em from the clouds.
Diamond so vibe, always down to slide. I've been real from the jump start, it's just part of my design. I've been self-made, you know the bills paid, I feel the spark to subscribe. You want a real one, well I'm the real thing, I run a rampant through a mind. Ayy, yeah, I never lose what I'm on. I'm always cool with being me, they never match what I'm on. I play with cash for the fun. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. From Farrakhan, keep the peace, I look out for me.
About what they say, I can't hear 'em from the clouds. I don't talk too much, but these diamonds talking loud. And I'm turning heads, got these bitches going out. But what they say, what they say, what they. But what they say, I can't hear 'em from the clouds.
I'm way up, nothing less than. And I'ma stay up.